Erection stimulant on bus 345, number 11, from downtown to UIS. Slight, maybe for a combined total of maybe 5 minutes. Pretty strong pain to left knee as I got off the shuttle van out of the UIS shuttle to get out at Big Lots to catch the transfer. That would have been around about 5 minutes until 9. It is Tuesday night. That pain went away as I got into the store, and they were only open for another 5 minutes or so, and the pain was not present when I left the store, but for the couple minutes walking from the just from the van to the store was pretty painful. Not super painful, but very noticeable. It's I don't know, a little bit after 10 o'clock. Since I arrived, wind's been out of the east. I'm at the northeast corner of the Walmart parking lot. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday night. And dry mouth, dry throat is pretty noticeable. More noticeable than usual. Not sure on the source, because the Walgreens is closed, and I didn't hear any trucks running on the same corner of the lot. There was a vehicle parked running exhaust towards me that left within a couple minutes of me getting to my car. That was right around a little bit after 10. So it could be the remnants of that. There is a truck running upwind. Could be the source. Actually, I heard a vehicle with loud exhaust move right around the time, right after the message on dry mouth, dry throat. After that, a truck did start its engines or engine. That could be the source of the dry mouth, dry throat. Seems to have reduced and largely stopped that. And since the truck has started, the antihistamine effect hasn't picked up. And wind is right now roughly due east. That's supposed to shift towards southeast and straight up south by tomorrow morning. So I might end up crossing the exhaust from that engine later this evening. And on trip back, I guess it would be the 9:45 leaving downtown. It would be the 10 after 9 Big Lots route. But pain to testicles, left side, a couple times, pretty painful.